What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. It's Tuesday, July 15th, 2025. We are officially halfway through the month of July. Can you believe this? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Where is the time going? It feels like just yesterday. Us Americans voted in what's going to probably be the best president of our history. You just watched the watch rate just drop down to 50%. I got the guys some gifts, these pipe vices, these like mini baby channel locks. Yep. So I have some news to announce. Yep. Number 48 of the Mikey Pipes version 2.0, if you ain't testing your guessing poster, is going to William Kellerman in Middlesex, New Jersey. I just got to autograph it for him. William was the closest without going over on how much a dual capacitor was to replace. It's not just that. How much an emergency service call on the 4th of July to diagnose and repair a central air conditioning system that ended up needing a new dual capacitor in the outdoor condensing unit. He was the closest without going over. Some of you had guessed it was free. Now, that is a good guess, and I'm going to tell you why. I did offer the homeowner, while I was there, that if you'd like me to replace this system and we can commit to a replacement and I can order equipment for you and I can take a deposit, that I'll give you my time and I'll take this part back and I'll use it for training in my training facility, but I can't resell it. And I was like, if you want to sign up for a replacement today, I'm going to zero out today's invoice. But only, and I'm not putting you under pressure, I'm not here to sell you a new system, but only if you agree to it today. You have to commit with a deposit. And you have to waive your New York State 3-day right to cancel, which is a New York State law that states that any contract that you sign in your home, your dwelling, you have a buyer's remorse period of 3 days, 3 business days. And he goes, Mike, you know, it's a very generous offer. I'm thinking about replacing it, but I'm just not going to do it this year. And I said, okay. Choice is yours. And I was like, if you decide to replace it this season, I will give you back my time. You're still going to pay for the part, and you're still going to pay for the trip charge, but I'll give you back my time. He goes, Mike, you know, it's very generous of you. Thank you so much. You really are a stand-up guy. He called me a mensch. And, I got in the basket. And we left it at that. But William Kellerman, here is your going out right now. Not right now, going out today. It's good stuff. We have a busy week ahead of us, as you can see. These will all be gone by the end of the week. Today, this is gonna be pretty epic. Today, you see this thing? This contraption with the strut and this Vevor motor. I made my own ladder crane. Yep. I made my own ladder crane, and today we're going to be installing this 36,000 BTU single zone ductless system by ACIQ on the Mikey Pipes Pipe Doctor YouTube channel. I don't know if it'll be launched today, but probably will. I'm going to be using that ladder hoist. I used a clevis hanger that's going to attach to my ladder, the rung of the ladder. I'm going to push this out. And we're going to motorize it. It's going to lift it up on top of the roof deck. It's only a 1-story building, flat roof. But we do have a quite heavy condensing unit, so I think it'll be best for that. Another announcement, and then I'm going to let you go because I have to go to shul. We have shocker, so it's 6:15. Another announcement is that I just discovered there is this flat plate in my bathroom next to the bathtub. It's a modern piece of technology. You step on this plate, and it gives you a number that corresponds to how much your mass is. It's revolutionary. I call it a WEER. I'm like, Jennifer, what is this thing? This thing called a WEER. She goes, the WEER. So, the fucking WEER. You know you're fucking laughing right now, folks. That flat plate that rests somewhere in your home, usually in a bathroom, you step on it, you put your entire body mass on it, and it gives you a number which corresponds to your mass of your body. So I'm pleased to announce, now this sounds a little bit crazy. So yesterday, I didn't have any drinks. Sunday I did. Sunday it was a nice pool day. The granddaughter came over with the son and the daughter-in-law. We barbecued. It was nice. We had some baby lamb chops on the grill. It was really nice. And I had a few drinks mixed with Celsius, and nonetheless, I was in bed by 7:45. But yesterday, before I went to bed, I went on the WEER. And I am pleased to announce that between Sunday, drum roll please, between Sunday and Monday evening, the WEER had a difference of 0.6 pounds. Can you believe that shit? 0.6 pounds. It was a negative number, by the way. It went down 0.6 pounds. Some of you are going to say, Mikey Pipes, you fat fuck. You're relying on a WEER to tell you what you're really not a fat fuck? I am a fat fuck! But not as fat as that fat fucking pig that we all know, but I'm not going to say that person's name. I'm not going to do it. Not going to do it. We'll let that be. But folks, check out the Cuffed by Cops, Uncensored Police Cam Madness, my police body cam channel. Doing very well. Doing very well. Looking good. All right, folks. It's 6:05 here in the morning. Thank you for letting me vent and express my emotion to you. I really appreciate it. Catch you in the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.